Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing conch fried rice. If you want to see how I achieve this, then continue watching. I must say thank you to my 13,000 subscribers. God bless you. We are moving on up. You know my aim this year was 20. We're getting closer. Oh my word. To you who are always returning, you are my MVP. And to my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. To those of you who are just watching and you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you and continue watching. Know what to do, give it a thumbs up. Please share it out. Leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. And be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Don't forget to check out the description box now. Everything will be listed there for you. God bless you today, and I'll see you you in the next one.